I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we are going to show you how to improve customer service with Claude in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. Claude allows businesses to improve customer service while drastically saving costs and human resources. To get started, get your API key from Anthropic. Here, input the API key and your business information. Also, make sure that Claude is connected to your nerDigital chatbot account. Once done, allow automated responses, then click Save. Now, let's test it. There you have it. You just learned how to improve customer service with Claude in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.